So I add bodywork at the sun gazing. Before I was doing sun gazing with stretching. Now I add bodywork. For the last couple years, it's better. I can do massages as I do sun gazing. As I breathe this mana. Look at this. You see one human. There's one guardian over there. Here is the bear sanctuary. They say they have 80 bears locked up from here that way with electric fences. Sometimes we can hear them. They go, ugh, ugh. We're gonna go check it out next time. We never see them. We're gonna go around the perimeter. Yeah, doing last minute of sun gazing. Tightening the chin muscles is important because when I go climbing up the walls and hills, the chin tend to get tired fast if there's no circulation. And I can feel what the tightness is. You hear that?
Wow. Some bear sounds.
No, those are dogs.
Bear and dogs.